Want to create a cool transition like this?
Sevmiyor çıktı. Oğlum kızlar çok şeker. Bahçe logan bu ön çeker. Kızlar bana TikTok çeker.
Let's get started. First, import your footage and music into the timeline. Make sure you set the ratio and remove the original sound if your footage has audio. In this example, I'm using 3 clips. Next, add beat markers to your music. Move the second clip above the first clip. Right at the second beat, go to the basic menu, then the blend section. Add keyframes on beat 2, 3, 5, and 6. Trim any excess parts of the clip. Set the opacity on the first and fourth keyframes to 0. Next, move the third clip above the timeline at beat 9. Apply the same steps as the second clip. Then add shake and negative effects. Trim them to match the keyframes. To make it more dynamic, add a shaky glitch effect to the entire project. Set the strength to 15. Finally, add an instant nostalgia filter. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your cool transition is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.